Ashmore and Cartier Islands.
Background: these uninhabited islands came under Australian authority in 1931. Formal administration began 2 years later. Ashmore Reef supports a rich and diverse avian and marine habitat. In 1983, it became a national nature reserve. Cartier Island, a former bombing range, became a marine reserve in 2000.
Geography.
Ashmore and Cartier Islands.
Location: Southeastern Asia, islands in the Indian Ocean, midway between northwestern Australia and Timor Island.
Geographic coordinates: 1214 S, 12305 E.
Map references: Southeast Asia.
Area total:
5 square kilometers.
Land:
5 square kilometers.
Water:
0 square kilometers.
Note:
Includes Ashmore Reef, West, Middle, and East Islets, and Cartier Island.
Country comparison to the world:
250.
Area comparative: about 8 times the size of the National Mall in Washington, D.C.
Land boundaries: 0 kilometers.
Coastline: 74.1 kilometers.
Maritime claims: territorial sea.
12 m.
Contiguous zone.
12 m.
Continental shelf.
200 m depth or to the depth of exploitation.
Exclusive fishing zone.
200 m.
Climate: tropical.
Terrain: low with sand and coral.
Elevation: 0 meters lowest point.
Indian Ocean.
5 highest point.
Cartier Island.
Natural resources: fish.
Land use: 0%.
Natural hazards: surrounded by shoals and reefs that can pose maritime hazards.
Environment: current issues: illegal killing of protected wildlife by traditional Indonesian fishermen, as well as fishing by non-traditional Indonesian vessels, are ongoing problems. Sea level rise, changes in sea temperature, and ocean acidification are concerns. Marine debris.
Geography. Note: Ashmore Reef National Nature Reserve established in August 1983. Cartier Island Marine Reserve established in 2000.
People and society.
Ashmore and Cartier Islands.
Population: no indigenous inhabitants.
Note:
Indonesian fishermen are allowed access to the lagoon and fresh water at Ashmore Reef's West Island. Access to East and Middle Islands is by permit only.
Government.
Ashmore and Cartier Islands.
Country name: conventional long form.
Territory of Ashmore and Cartier Islands.
Conventional short form.
Ashmore and Cartier Islands.
Etymology:
named after British Captain Samuel Ashmore, who first sighted his namesake island in 1811, and after the ship Cartier, from which the second island was discovered in 1800.
Dependency status: Territory of Australia, administered from Canberra by the Department of Regional Australia, Local Government, Arts and Sport.
Legal system: the laws of the Commonwealth of Australia and the laws of the Northern Territory of Australia, where applicable, apply.
Citizenship: see Australia.
Diplomatic representation in the U.S. None. Territory of Australia.
Diplomatic representation from the U.S. None. The territory of Ashmore and Cartier Islands is an uninhabited external territory of Australia consisting of 4 low-lying tropical islands in 2 separate reefs, and the 12 nautical mile territorial sea generated by the islands. The territory is located in the Indian Ocean, situated on the edge of the continental shelf, about 320 kilometers, 199 miles, off the northwest coast of Australia and 144 kilometers, 89 miles, south of the Indonesian island of Rote. Ashmore Reef is called Pulau Pasir by Indonesians and Nusa Solakek in the Rotenese language. Both names have the meaning sand island. Geography: the territory comprises Ashmore Reef, which includes West, Middle,